I am Dr. Harleen Sethi from Dontia Care Clinic, Kolkata. हमारे इस चैनल में मिलेंगे आपको some dental information videos and smile makeovers by our dentist from Dontia Care. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Hey, hi! Oh my God! Believe, gratitude, smile, truthful, beauty, empathy, and love. Yes. My God, so beautiful. Thank you.
Kindly go through it once and you need to sign it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Give me 2
welcome,
minutes.
ma'am. Yeah, sure.
Everything is so professional. They've asked me to fill the consent form and the health records as well. Wow. Everything is so systematic here. I just love it. Dontia Clinic.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Staffs are so good, humble and professional. Thank you so much. Let's begin.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please come.
Thank you. Hi. What made you come here? I really heard, very good feedback that all the doctors said are very good. So I was like, let's go there. Let's check. Let's check. Okay. And I'm really scared about the teeth and all. So please, just look. Okay, sure. What is your dental concern? Mine is like from last 1 week. No, I'm having a pain here. So you just check it out. It's because of the cavity or it's because of I don't know. I'm not. I don't know actually. Leave it only. Yeah. You are the concerned person now. So Teena, today we'll just do a checkup. Let's see what's there going on inside your mouth. And this is a dental mirror. You don't have to be scared of the mirror. See, you can. This is just for your teeth. Okay, there's nothing sharp here. Okay, there's a lot of things which are going on inside actually. So you have had certain experiences before. I can see you have got an extraction done, certain fillings done. Still, I think I'm having lots of chocolates then. Also what I see is your teeth are not in alignment. Correct. They are crowded, what we call is like because they are overlapping each other. Okay. So like we explained to the kids, I'm explaining you also. This is a 3-way syringe. When you press one button, water comes out. When you press other button, air comes out. And when you press both, water comes with air. Okay. So that's why it's called 3-way syringe. About the crowding also. What other options available for you? I'm sure you would not like to go for braces.
No, not really.
These are aligners and this is a 20-year-old proven technology. We use only Invisalign in Dontia Dental Care. The product is aligners. It is for the alignment of teeth. All your teeth will come in one line.
That's nice.
Why it is called alignment.
Alignment.
Yeah. So what we have to do is you have to wear it. It is completely invisible. Even if you are going in parties, you can talk with it and you can do your shows also.
What about the eating and all?
Just for the eating purpose, you have to remove it. Eat anything. With braces, you have food restrictions. You cannot have hard food and sticky food. But this, you can have anything.
What else we are doing it? Like after how long I have to put this?
That depends after we do the scanning.
Okay.
You will see what will be the end result, how your smile will look after the treatment. So before going to there, you can see how Delhi looks like.
Looks like that. Correct. I've heard a lot about this clinic and it's exactly the same professionalism, same work, and the way they have told me about the procedures. It's really good, it's really understandable, and I'm really looking forward for more sittings here, and I really liked it. Thank you.
Visit us at Dontia Dental Care for all your dental problems.
So, how was it? Now don't forget to like, share and subscribe.